How you doing, guys? This is Chris at Dentless Touch. Today we have a 2009 Tacoma. This gentleman just recently purchased this vehicle and he wanted to clean it up. So let's get started with this repair. Hello my YouTube family. If you're liking the videos that I'm producing, please go ahead and hit that like button, and if you want to see more content, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's talk about this repair. So you probably see in this video that we're pretty much cleaning up the entire car. There is some previous PDR, doesn't want to address that damage. Everything else, we're taking care of. So my game plan on this particular repair was basically to do exactly what you're seeing right now. To pull with glue and actually knock down that crown. I actually couldn't wait for a repair to come in that required this technique to show you guys. So let's talk about the difficulties and challenges about this repair. I tried glue pulling it solely, but that crown area was so strong it would not release. So that's why I gave it a difficulty rating of 5. Alright guys, let's go over the tools that I use. Dent dowel as always. This time around it's the 22 heavy. I used his everyday tip that he sells. Also used the Dentcraft tip DG-R1. Heat gun of course. The Pro PDR 46-inch chubby HD light, great light. And the glue tab that I was using was Black Plague's crease tab. It's actually the older version. It's the gray version. The green ones are a little bit better. Also used the Velocity PDR blending hammer. And of course this repair was at 7:30 in the morning. A Wawa coffee.